signs of spring tempt Canadians. But caution tape, warning signs, and now in-person enforcement are reminders of reality.
If you go up on the sidewalk, you can meet the trail again further on, but you can't go down that way.
And also the consequences for those failing to follow physical distancing rules.
I think that the fines are definitely justified. We are in the midst of a global pandemic and we have to take our health and safety seriously.
Officers were visible in parks and other gathering places across the country this weekend, including Nova Scotia, where dozens of tickets were issued province-wide.
I was pleased to hear, but surprised, law enforcement had to issue the number of tickets they were issuing this weekend, and if required, we'll step up enforcement.
In Vancouver, breaking the rules can mean up to a $50,000 fine for businesses or up to $1,000 for individuals.
I just want to thank you guys for social distancing.
In Toronto, the fine can go up to $5,000 if the case goes to court. The city's new physical distancing bylaw states that any two people who don't live together and who fail to keep 2 meters apart in a park or public square could be ticketed.
I think it's incredibly important to be a good citizen at this time.
And over the weekend, a blitz in Toronto focused on parks, which police say are hotspots. On Saturday alone, between this park and one other, more than 1,000 vehicles were turned away. 10 tickets were issued across the city, and more than 1,000 people were spoken to about the rules. This enforcement will continue daily.
Officers will talk with those individuals and try to educate them in regards to the things they can and cannot do.
But if the public doesn't heed the warnings, fines will follow. Talia Ricci, CBC News, Toronto.